Resolution. What is a resolution? Meaning of resolution. Resolution means decision or agreement made by directors and shareholders of company. Okay, the decision of the directors, it is a resolution. The agreement between the directors, it is a resolution. The decision by the shareholders, it is a resolution, or the agreement between the shareholders, it is called resolution. So this is known as resolution. This is the meaning of resolution. The resolutions are broadly classified as resolution passed by board and resolution passed by members. What is resolution passed by board? The resolution passed by the directors in the board meeting is known as resolution passed by board, and the resolution passed by members in their general meeting, it is known as resolution passed by members. How members pass resolution? Resolutions passed by members or shareholders, it can be done in two ways: ordinary resolution or special resolution. In ordinary resolution, in general meeting, vote cast, it is cast, vote cast by showing hands or on poll, etc. It should get more than 50% to win. Okay, in the general meeting, if there is any resolution, okay, if there is any issue and the vote are cast by showing hands, like who are in favor, they should put their hands up, or those who are against the motion, they should put their hands up. If the vote are cast like this, or on poll there is counting of votes, and the to win there should be minimum 50% vote. In this condition, it is known as ordinary resolution. When are special resolution passed? When there is any serious or important decision of company. Okay, ordinary resolution are for ordinary situations, special resolutions are for special situations. Okay, for serious and important decisions of the company. A prior mention in notice of meeting. Okay, if there is any notice given to members for the meeting, in that notice it should be mentioned that the meeting is about a serious and important decision. Okay, there is an important or serious issue to be discussed at the meeting, it should be mentioned in the notice of the meeting. There should be at least 75% in favor. Okay, and sometimes 95%. Okay, in ordinary resolution there was only 50%, more than 50% required. In special resolution, the person who should be in favor, they must be at least 75%, and in some cases it is required to be more than 95% or 95%. What are the serious and important decisions for which special resolution is taken? These are like when we have to change the name of the company, or to make changes in the articles of association, etc. So this was resolution, meaning of resolution, broad classification, like resolution passed by board, resolution passed by member, and how members pass a resolution. Ordinary resolution in ordinary situation in which only more than 50% votes are required, and special resolutions for serious and important decisions in which sometimes there are minimum 75% votes required, or in some cases 95% votes required. The serious or important decisions are like changing name of the company, or making changes in the articles of association. So this was resolution. Next we will see what is capital in next video.